Hello friends, welcome back to another video of this channel. Today we are gonna learn how to make a simple login window with the help of Pyqt5. This video is the part one of the two videos. In this part, we will learn how to make the user interface, and in part two, we will learn how to make the backend code with Python to authorize the login process. So let's get started. So as you can see in the screen that we are going to make this type of user interface where you can put the username and the password and press the login. But as I said, this is the part one, so here we will only focus how to make the user interface part. Nothing will happen when you press the login button. In part two, we will make the Python backend code where after login pressed, the user will be verified and go to another page or message something that login success so that you can understand the whole code is working properly. So let's make this user interface. So to make this user interface, we must have the Pyqt5 software. So here you can see Pyqt5 is Qtdesigner is the software. You need to open that first. Qtdesigner looks like this. If you don't have Qtdesigner, no problem. You can download it from internet. It's easily available. Just go to the Google and search for download program. You will get this Qtdesigner easily. So to make the login window, we first need some windows to make all the user interfaces. So let's click on the file, then click on new, and you can see main windows is selected. A lot of options are there, but right now we want to take only the main windows because we need this one right now. Another application is for the current users. So we must need to create. So you can see there is the main windows one. You can resize it according to your need. This is for menu, we don't need right now, so we can remove the menu bar. And this status also, there is small narrow line is there. We don't actually see right now, but here is something. We can see the remove status here. So the whole window we have. Now we can resize it. As we know that login window is not a bigger screen, it's something very smaller. So you can resize it properly. So here you can see minimum size and the maximum size. So we will make it fixed by the size where you can put almost 300 and the height should be 300 or 280 something like that. Here also 300 and height 280. As you can see the width become very smaller. So we need to make the 300 more bigger. 400, 400 are also very smaller. You can make it 600. Okay, so this is okay as you can see. So you need to save this UI first. You can select any location where you want to save. Right now I am selecting the desktop and pressing the save button. Or you can write the name as login and save. So right now your Windows is ready. To view this window, you have to press Ctrl R, and you can see this windows have nothing in it, so it looks very bad. Now you see we will make one by one. So to make a proper login user window, we need some images or some icons filter. So as you can see, there is an icon filter where some icons are already downloaded, and I keep in this so that you can use it in your application. Also, I made this with pen, so you can right click and open with pen, which is how I made this. Just nothing, I take a rectangle and then a circle, then draw it like that and write help on that and put a green color in it. It's very easy, very fun to use, and keep set and save it for later use. Okay. So here all the icons are present. Some are HDG icons, some are PNG. It does not matter. You can take any of these. Okay. So now first we will make the left side part. Let me open the original one so that you can understand what we are going to make. This was the original one. So first of all we need to make this left side part. To make this left side part we will take two frames. As you can see this whole windows is separated with two frames, this left side frame and this right side frame. So first we need to take two horizontal frames. So to the frames go to there and right frames, you can see frames is there. So take one frame and take another frame. And then in the this two frame is now on the top of this main window. So you have to click on the main window and right click on layout horizontally. So now you can see these two frames are horizontally separated. But one thing to remember, if you put some more element here, this resize, this window will be bigger, this window will be smaller, like that there will be resize problem. To fix that, we must select the vertical or horizontal policy here. You can see size policy is here. So first go to the horizontal policy and select expanding. Once you select expanding, you can see this becomes very much bigger. You need to select the horizontal size. This name is horizontal scale. You need to select the horizontal space of 1, and also another frame you need to select from here and do the same thing, but expanding and horizontal space. So it is divided 1:1. So right now if you make it smaller or larger, it will not fetch in a random way. Okay. So now both frame has been done. So right now we need to show these images on the left side. So to show images, it's very easy to take some labels so that you can put the images here. Label. You can take a label and put there and go to layout and make it horizontal or vertical, does not matter because we have only one element. So whenever you have one element, you can make any type of element. After that, you need to go to bottom side and see fix next with the option. From the arrow key, we have to choose the file. So to choose file, as you say, as I earlier said that the images are stored in a folder. Let me go to that folder. In this folder, all the images are stored. So I have to take this image. Okay, you can see this image is selected, but it's not selected the whole area. It's not filled. To make it stretch, you need to press this stretch content, fill content. Okay, now it's filled. You can save it now. So the left part is already done. So now the right part. You can see in the right part, there are one login window, one icon with username, one password icon with one lock icon for the password, and one login button. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 frames are there. So I get 4 frames. Frames 1, 2, 3. As you can see, we need to increase the height a little bit. So here we put some height is, now we put 280. You can see it 350. Also in the next one, 350. 1, 2, 3, copy and paste on the field. So now we have four frame in this right side frame. So right click on the right side frame and make it layout vertically. So all the frames will be placed vertically. You can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. So in the first frame, we have to write some label. So we can put a label here, put a label, and as you can see, login window. So write it down, login window. Let's write on the frame and make it horizontal. And go to the font, just increase the font line on page. You can increase more, so this is better. Okay. So now you can see this login window is not in the center, but in this picture you can see login window is in the center. So how you can make it center? Just right click on the label and go to center alignment. Now you can see this is perfectly placed on the center. Now let us go to the second frame. Our second frame will consist two things. One is the icon and another is the line edit option where we can input some values from the user. Okay. And these two elements will be placed in horizontal layout. So first take the label for this icon here and line edit, line edit, line edit, and you can put it horizontal layout. Okay. So now this one we need to make some icons. So to make icon, we can go to the Pyqt5, where you can see the Pyqt5, and we have to select the images. So for user we have this icon. We can select this one. As you can see, this icon becomes too much bigger. First, we need to make it scale content. So it's become smaller, but still it's too much bigger because we need to fix its size. From here we can fix its minimum size and maximum size. So for icon, we can put 50 by 50 and also in the maximum size 50 by 50. So you can see now it looks very good. Also the line edit is not properly proportional with the height of this icon. So you can increase the height of the line edit. So you can make it the minimum height is 50. If it is too much, you can make it 30. Okay, that's good. And this one also 30. So you can see the line edit is also done. So like with the same steps as we done in the drawing, we can do the same step here for the password. Okay. For the password, also there is another good method where you don't need to do much things. You can select this one and this one with pressing control and just copy control C and paste in this frame. So all the sizes and alignments will be done automatically. And then layout horizontally. Right now just you need to change this icon. Just go to there and click this button. After that push the button and you need to push the left button. Okay. And it looks very good. But still it's not looks as this one because there we need to change some style sheet of this elements because style sheet is important. When we make any user interface, the interface needs to be styled with some CSS code. We will do it and we can see how it can be done. But before that, we need to first make everything properly. But we did not put the button here. So we need to go for the button, we use the button. So this button is there. We can select the push button. In this push button, we have to write login. Okay. But the push button is not same as the original one. I need to make it a little bit bigger. This login button, go to the size. Height is minimum height. 30. Height also 30. Now the login button is should be right side. So you can select the first you need to make the layout in horizontal or vertical, and then right click and make it right alignment. Okay. Now it is on the right side. So all the elements is already placed as in the original window, but now we need to change the styles. So first of all, there is greenish color in this login window. And also it's in capital letter. I think window. So to make it greenish color and capital letter, we need to go to the change style sheet option, change style sheet, and we will get this type of window. Here you can go to the add color option and select the background color. And you can select any greenish color from here and press apply. So you see the background color is changed because I mistakenly thought that it should be background color. Actually, it should be only color. If you want to change the background color, then you have to press the background color. So you can delete it and go to color and do the same thing. Okay, so now the color is changed. Okay. Also, you can see this when I make the cursor here, this is highlighted, so it's little bit interactive, so it looks very good. Also in the button, it changes its color. So how we can make this? First of all, also you need to see that there are some round edges. The border are some round edges, there are some border color, and also enter password here, enter username here is written. So this is called placeholder. First, let us make this one. So select this line edit and go to placeholder. Here you can see placeholder is there. So you can press here enter username here. So this will be reflected. Also you can increase the letter font bold. Okay, also something here 9 and bold. In the placeholder you have to write enter password here. Okay, one thing to remember, when in any application or any login window, if you press the password, their password is visible. It should not be visible like that. It should be some dot like that or any star like that, so that nobody can see the password in there. It should be like that. So how can we make this? To make this one, we need to go to this section and where we have some echo mode. This echo mode is the responsible thing to make this change. Go to the echo mode and see where is the password. After you save it and control R to check. Now if you press any key from the keyboard, it will not show you the password. So the password is not visible. So that's for it. But in case of username, you can see what I am writing. So now we need to make the border on the round edges. How we can do this? Up select this one and change style sheet. In the style sheet, you have to write Q line edit because this is the Q line edit element. Here you can see Q line edit. This one. Let me write this one and then SMS start bracket. And inside this start bracket, you can make any CSS code. Okay, first we need to make the border. To make border, your border. Here 2 pixel solid gray. So 2 pixel is the width of the border, solid is the style of the border, and gray is the color of the border. You can press apply, you can see nothing happens. Then maybe there is something wrong. You line edit, the spelling mistake is there. It must be capital A. Okay, right now you can see that there are some border, is applied. So to make this border round, there is one option, it's called border radius. border red green half. You can make it pixelized. Like if I put high 10 pixel here, you can change the pixel value and see how the effect. Like you can see now there is some brown shape. Okay. So in the original, I think I made the border greenish color. Okay, let's make it greenish. If you change the gray to green, it will be green. We need to do the same thing for this password. So for this, we can just copy and paste. But before that, we want to do another thing. Right now, as you can see, if I make my mouse button here, nothing is happening. But I need to make it interactive. So just click here and this same thing we need to do, but with something different. This QLine edit, and after that you have to press colon hover. This hover means when we move your mouse on the top of any element, this hover action will run. So we already have the border and everything. When we hover, we can just change the background color to white so that it looks some interactive. Right now you can check when I press go there, it's already white, so you cannot understand. You can change a little bit with any color, that kind of color. You can see now the color is changed. But in the original it is white because the background color already I changed. This same background color. You need to change that. How we can change with this same color. So how we can do this? So to do this, we need to go there and open this with the paint. Okay. Now we can go to the color section. Before that, just go to here and pick color. Click on this area. So this color is selected. If I go there, you can see the red, yellow, green values are there. So RGB value is there 195, 195 and 195. So with this information, we can easily make the background same as this color. Okay. So right now we need to select this main window. With the main window selected, we can go to change style shift and set the background color. First put any background color, then change this value as 195, 195, 195. Okay, as you can see, now this color is same. So right now we can change this color with 5. 0, 255, 255 is there. You can see now it's same as the original image as well. Okay, so now we can go to the change style sheet and copy the whole style code and paste here. So it will be the same. Okay, so style you can see. Now login button also, you can go to the style sheet and for login button we must press P S H P push button because you can see the P push button is different. We have to follow always this step. P push button, then we can press the third button here, and inside that we can make the code. So here I can change the background color to the uh, lighter green first. You can see it's lighter green, and also this border and border radius same border equal to 2 pixel solid. You can press gray here and border radius in pixel. But as you can see, this button becomes very small and the login is written not be visible very properly. So you can just make the login little bit more bolder, but still it's not good. So what I can do, we have to change the padding. Padding is the spacing between the string, or you can see the letter and the button border. So if I press padding left 10 pixels, you can see the changes. You can see now there is a gap. But same thing you can do for the right. Padding right 10 pixels. Now it's good. So everything is set now, but something is wrong because you can see there is a lot of gap in the left side also. But in this application, no gap is there. So how can do it? How can we do this? This gap is called the margins. So if I press the main window first and go to downside, you can see there is no option for margin. But if I click this one, this is the frame, and go to there, you can see margin left, margin right, and all these things are there. You need to make this zero. You can see it's going, and same thing with the right, right frame. So now you can see it's almost attached to each other. The main window and the object inspector, you can see central user and go to property. This central user must be also zero. So now press save and control R. You can see we already enter password. This login. Also, this login button is not interactive like this. When I shift the mouse here, this button has no changes. So I need to make this. So use this button over, and inside the hover you can just change the background color to some darker, this dark green color. So now you can see the background color is changing. Press Ctrl R to see it real time, how it will look. So this is what for this part, because this part we only focus how to make the interface. In the next part, I will show you how to use this interface and make the backend code in the Python, so that whatever username password we will put here and press the login button. After that, it will authorize that user is already registered in a database or not. If it is registered, it will make you a message here that user is registered and login success. And if the user and password have anything wrong, then here the message will be that invalid credential or login fail or something like that, so that you can understand the whole code is working perfectly on it. So thank you very much for this watching this video. If you like and if you think that this video helped something to you, so you can subscribe this video for the latest part.